Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Workline HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Workline HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in web.workline.hr and make a search. The login page of Workline HR's account will appear on the screen. Enter your client code and tap on Submit. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Workline HR's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Workline HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.